Good evening. See, how to come up in the life means you take every opportunity come to your notice. If suppose the ordinary labor who assist the mason by bringing brick, sand, cement, etc., must not only work and earn but also concentrate how his immediate superior mixing the sand with cement and breaking the bricks with size so that it accommodate the wall. That technique if you learn, there will be an opportunity you become the another step. While doing that, if you follow how mason is measuring the land, how he is constructing the wall by step to the length, then you become mason. Like that, if an ordinary cleaner in the hotel can become a server, then slowly by following and memorizing the rate of the food become cashier, then by learning the cooking he become some hotel, small hotel initially. This is what I was craving with my friends. Normally, though I am a member of MHA right from the beginning and contested for the presidency near about 8 times, and there was a tough fight between me and Gandhi and one Kanakaraj. Kanakaraj obtained 800 votes, and the difference between me and Gandhi was 300 votes. Gandhi was declared elected. But I always concentrate to mingle with the young juniors at Georgetown Court, particularly, and also Egmore and Sairapet, whoever comes to my notice. I always insist them, don't concentrate on the enjoyment of the life. Because in criminal side you will have hot money, bail application, some warrant recall, and after collecting their money, enjoying their life by something I can't say all those things, by vices or by enjoying their life by going to hotel and other things. Apart from that, if you would have concentrated on at least spending few hours before the court proceedings, trial proceedings, and go and follow civil proceedings, or at least join a office for 1 or 2 hours, be a guest visitor to that office and learn how legal notices are given, or at least go through that. Then only you can have come up in the life. See what had happened. My eyes are shedding tears when 3 advocates at Georgetown courts claims to file bail application and there was no access to the court. So the only income and highly competitive field. How could you survive? Somehow, if you at least you would have learned how to issue notice, have a office. Don't think that you must have a big offices. Then only that there are certain victims who fell prey to the big offices, big shows, all are that. But some clients, those who know something factual and society surroundings, would definitely assess your knowledge and your power. Power of intuition is the most important to advocates. See, when I started practice, my dearest friend Kannabran used to say, your office is like a magician office. Such a poor family that was. But later on, slowly, but the clients only appreciated my knowledge and my ability and my sincerity, my activism, and clients flowing. Then I slowly have developed that. Still, see, when I had a chamber in the year 1988 itself, when I was only 7 years practice. 1981 December was my enrollment. The year 1988 I was a co-alati. I thought whenever I meet a little bit financial sound clients, they used to say, "What is chamber number? What is your chamber? Where is your chamber?" So that concentrated me to obtain the chamber. Because of my ability, sincerity, the High Court has allotted chamber. But keeping that mind, I have accommodated number of juniors with my chamber, and so many young lawyers from remote families, our poor families, became co-alatis now. Now about 9 to 10 co-alatis are there now, became alati also later on. This you should develop yourself as well as you lift your colleagues, and you should never forget that from where you have come up. And one more important thing I must mention, that only to one standard of life, you may feel that you are a criminal lawyer, you have a practice, a little bit respect from the criminals, and police officials are giving respect and acquainting you. But a little bit later, when your children mingle with the other children, so then if they are informed that their father's advocate was different style and your father advocate was different style, so there will be some repercussion on your children's career. So to avoid that, at least for God's sake, I again and again request all of you to concentrate, slowly develop. See, I have developed this much of knowledge only by rudimentary form of knowledge. Rudimentary rock, you would have learned from the geography. Rudimentary rock means the sand going under the riverbed by formation of little bit sand. Later on that sand become rock. That is rudimentary form of rock. That sort of knowledge you cannot acquire. This is an official knowledge only. You need not have that much of English. This is different, that is different. You can, and because of upcoming of judges from remote families and remote villages, they used to encourage it. But you must be ready for that. So even after reopening of the courts, kindly spend 2 or 3 hours by wearing robe. I saw multi-number of advocates feeling shy to wear robes. This is very, it is pandemic to the profession. It's all right, I can say, kadai virithu vaithen vaanguvadarku aal illai. Should not be like that. I may be termed as Patinathar, but not this type of Patinathar who felt sad. Vaadiya pairellam kandi naanum vaadina. I am also feeling very sad when lawyers are suffering, and now they are suffering for necessities, not for perks. And don't run after perks always. If you need perk, you can have. See, I have earned a lot. I had a car, even high cars. But nowadays I need not car. I have only 6 kilometers. Even now I am coming by auto rickshaw or two-wheeler. See, you must have your pet if necessary. That's all right. This is my advice. கேட்டா கேளுங்க, வணக்கம். கேட்பீங்க, கேட்காம எங்கே போயிட போகுது.